In this video, I will be discussing about an important interview question, which is why do you want to work as a software tester? This would be very interesting and important question that would be asked in any software testing interviews. So I will be discussing in detail about this question, and you can answer this question in a 10 different ways based on your interest. So let's go by one, like based on different aspects, you can answer this interview question in 10 different ways. Let's go by one. If you are a fashion having a quality assurance, then you should answer in this way. I enjoy ensuring that software products meet high quality standards and functions as intended before reaching user. That is a passion you are showing, that while answering you are keeping in mind that you are passionate about software testing. And the next one is, if you are a detail oriented person, then you should answer this question in this way, like I have a keen eye for details and software testing allows me to identify even the smallest defect that could impact the overall performance of an application. That is how you should answer if you are a detail oriented person. If you are a problem solver, then you should answer this question in this way, like I love investigating the issues, identifying the root causes and working with the developer to resolve them, making the software testing an excitement challenge. Here you are proving yourself that you are a problem solver by going through the issues, identifying via root causes, as well as working with the developer as a collaboration to resolve the overall problem, so that you can get rid of that issue from the software. That is a challenging aspect that you can explain in this way your interest of working as a software tester. If you are ensuring a better user experience person, if you are a better user experience person, then you should answer in this way, like I wanted to contribute to delivering seamless and bug-free software that provides an excellent user experience. And the next way you can answer is, if you are very interested in technology and innovation, then you wanted to work as a software tester, then you should answer in this way, like software testing keeps me engaged with the latest technologies, tools and development methodologies. Then you should answer in this way. And if you are very good in logical and analytical thinking, if you are good logical and analytical thinker, then you should answer in this way, like I enjoy analyzing software behavior, creating the test cases and using the logical reasoning to uncover the potential issues. And the next one is, if you are very curious mindset and you are very interested in learning continuously, then you should answer in this way. Software testing is a field that requires continuous learning and enjoy staying up to date with the new testing techniques, tools and automation practices. Hence, I would like to work as a software tester. That's how you should answer for this question when you are having a curiosity and continuous learning. If you are interested to improve the overall software development, then you can answer in this way. I believe quality assurance is a critical part of software development, because it is also one of the part of software overall development phase, where as a tester you can contribute, I can contribute to building a robust and reliable application. Then by contributing, definitely you can improve the overall software development processes. And the next one is, if you enjoy the breaking the things ethically, then you can become a good software tester. That time you should answer in this way. I find it exciting to push software to its limits, uncover hidden defects and improve its resilience. In this way you should answer when you are looking or as a software tester career as a for breaking things ethically. And the last but not the least is, as a stepping stone, software testing role as a stepping stone to a bigger role in the tech career. if you are having in that mindset in your mind, then you should answer in this way. I see software testing as a great entry point into the tech industry. Some people, what happens, they will start with the software testing career, then they will move on to development, they will take up different roles in IT industry. If you are that person, definitely you should answer this question in this way, like I see software testing as a great entry point into the tech industry, allowing me to develop technical and analytical skills while working closely with the development teams. When you start working closely in this way, slowly you can not only will become a good software tester, as well as you can take up additional roles as well in the tech area. These are the 10 different ways. Based on your interest and passion, you can answer this interview question in these different 10 ways.